ba dyan?
First possession for the Arriba. Reynolds, 2. Gia Pison swing the Ernesto to the Aquaman. Unang bola para dito sa team ng Arriba. Kenji Moral. Makontra dito kay Ernesto. Tumika ng Cruz. Rebound. Pulot dito nila Aquaman. Nasa dito kay Ernesto.
Viral na naman, boss!
Eugene Vega launches a break. Driver Salver. Kakain na! Pero may wisong tayo dyan. First picture basket.
Mas maglagay ang kain mo.
Basket again. Zero. Arriba sa Liga. Kenji Moral passing all is power. Swing pass on Andy. Launches a break. Logan. Tatapot ang rebound. Andy Brown. Napawag ng pito. Tumagandang na pass. Tulong ka! What's the last exhibition for Andy? First Bridgel and Andy, basket. Bridgel, basket agad. Lolo na linis nga, nagbigay dito may pasangan. Pasangan rin with the ball. Ranking on the Disney. Ranking Dalu. Big seven shot. Andy. Calling somebody at one scene. Okay, there's some whistle. Seven shot basket. Shot up 10 seconds. That's not the lagi. Wala. Aquaman. Surprise Aquaman. Pasang nag-pass of 10 seconds to shoot. Bounce to the Aquaman kick out. On open 20. Hello! Pagkat pinawian ng direction is 4-15 on a shot na. Mamadou. Deflected. Mamadou. Pinag-ilawan na naman ni Mamadou. Ito na si John Moran. Liga ng onti 3-point shot. Ang baon dito ni Chocoral. 24-21 ang ating official score. Tatlo amate para dito sa team ng Arriba. Swing pass. Agad naman pinawilan. Ito yung 3-point shot ni Chocoral. Ito si Mural. 80 seconds on the shot clock. Pounds. Hill Collins. Kontra dito kay Jerbo. Kick out pass. Pulpit dito ni Lay. Another pass. The weapon is through. Kakain na! Kakain na! Itong si Tyrone Hill. Sa walo. El Perro Marina Santonino. Stop! Ano naman ni Andy Malakas? Ito na naman si Tyrone. Pass to Basangan. Self-deletion. Basket. The Aquaman. Pow. The Jerbo. The Bakbakan is here. Basket down. Like that sound of a pound. Hello, Cooper. Behind the back three ball at the kontra dito. Nakapunta ni Maki na si Gio Bison. Tweet. Down and Andy. Ito na si Andy. Lead for the team Arriba. Andy. Launches a three. Ito na si Chocoral. 4-3 ang labanan. Jump, fires, no, rebound, Yudin, Akawed, and the Yudin, Akawed, not today, my friend, Gio! Grabe yung pag-elevate mo. Henry, great space. Music big on Kyle. Swing to Eugene. Eugene now. Rebound to Velasquez. Jay Carlo. Swing pass to Basangan. Behind the back pass to Lora. You are prepared to use wow! Back-to-back 20 points! Galing yung kay Mr. Chocoral. Pamana sa anib, abante dito ng Team Arriba. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. You want fire sweep? Run! Rebound to Chong. Wow! Moving the ball. Music beat. Fire sweep. Now. Rebound to Chong. Pass to Andy. And on the shot clock. Behind about 3 points. Andy swing to Akawed. Pass to Chong. Stop. Wait for Sean. Over. Ito si Andy, jump set, creating space, jump shot, short, rebounded, Pompang. Pasa dito kay Gio, tumatakbo dito kay Santonino. Gio is in creating space, long as a break. Magic Mesa ang gagawin dito ng ECB. Pasaran. Driving the ball. Stop. Jump shot. Pabandawan na. Agawan ng bola dito ng mga sipat ni Ernesto. Napakaaba naman. Gita nawala. Rebound down. Kaya si Eugene. Kaya balik nila ang dahil. Balik kay Eugene. Kaya na si Eugene. Abort na natin another Pass J.O. Dison. J.O. stop. Pass on Mamadou. Balik dito kay Dison. Ernesto. Laking tanong. Mamadou. Pass it down. May kasama ng pound. 2 minutes and 35. Right down. Right down to Eugene. Lord na dito. How? Naglat na siya. And then si Andy. Pasaran. Sweet to the Aquaman. And you more. No. Rebound in the cover. 58 seconds. Collins. Pass to Andy. Back up Mamo. Hemao. 15 on the shot clock. UCP. Pero lagi ka si Jake. Crossover. Another cross. Pero lagi ka si Wasan. And then on the shot clock. And there's a bad. And the steal. And they got it. Awarded the foul. First Bridgel basket. Then the 49. Good 41 ulit ang kalamangan dito. There's subdivision and Yung 10 seconds lumasan. Big pass. And yung ball! It's good! Nakapagandang way. And Moran, tatlo pa rin ang awak na kalaban dito ng Arriba. Ako na Tina Santorino, Evan Yul, kontra dito ang Kai Gamara, Luis Capol, kontra sa shot ng Begay, dito kay Tyrone. No! Lamang na wala! Jump shot na Mamadou! Good ball, good! Andy, the left hand, the penalty cover, Nila jumps, down kay the Lopez. Sweet two, Aaron Yumo, balik dito kay Pasaran. Ernesto do, Yumo, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Yumo bomb, UCP, Yumo jump step. Now, rebound to Collins. Ako ay pasa dito kay John Sandokan. Shooting foul ang itatawag dyan ang ating referee foul number 8, pushing foul. Awarded to Mr. Andy Umang. First shot, a basket. 58-56. Moran. Breaking the ball. Zigzagging calls on the shot clock, fade away. Jumper! Ang opening sa dito is Liga sa habon. Piso na diniskarte. 80 seconds on the shot clock. Bison, pass to Ernesto, to Cheerful. Now, he pass to Eugene. Kaya pass to Benji. Moran. Baka rin kami basanan. 80 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Andy. Back, right, space, Lopez. Grabe yung third quarter dito ni Mr. Andy Mau. Almat na sa akin. Pero ang ECP Crushers Basangan. Big grab. Mamalaging out. Wala na siyang bars. Oh! Rebound Andy. Andy Catales. Bomb grab to Andy. Creating space. Di all tayo on. Tatlo ka dalawa. Ito na si Basangan. Sa awang 58-62. Ulit pa rin ang awak dito ng barangay Pulungbulu. Ito si Andy Pinay na Pangdalimon. Gustong tumumon dito ni Jermo. Kasi yung James. Jermo ball. Kick out. Nipag na steal. Ito na si Andy Pinay. Kakain na. And it's later on, Johnson, big break, no! Bakbakan, rebound dito ni Collins, and ang gusto na naman kanina, di na walang bola, kaya ang laban, nag-get sa center, shooting foul! First free throw basket, Big Mau. Ginawa ng Princess Revolution, 69 from the 8 officials for 11-4 lead. Pulungbulu Gia Bison. Flipping the ball. Bounce to foul. Kakapasok lang rin sa natanong steal. And that's the buzzer. Upon to the lead. Up balik dito. That's Antonino. Ito si Ade. Sayaw, sidestep floater, no, rebounded, wow, nakipanog, ito na si Reynold, dribbling the ball, swing pass, Reyes, abuso, grabe, walang takot tumiwan, yan sa ating mga SWAT, hanapin, nakapulis na ng SWAT, may sandwich, Yanni, pass Ate, uy, nakakawa na bola, hindi na shot na pass, basket. Harap lang yan, assist niya last basket again. 80 on a shot clock and a walang goal! Corey the Gian, that's after the goal! 31 seconds! Tala, Gian, Jermo! Wow, rebound and Andy! 21 seconds, goal and pass! Two coming! Gagamit ng oras dito ang ni Jordan Simmons, no shot. 10 seconds. Andy, back ng Mamaw. 5 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Stop, jump shot, nothing. There's a whistle. First free throw basket. Awan ng pagbabasahan. To Ariel, pati dito kay Jason, 40 seconds to shoot. And on the shot clock, Bakbakan. KJ, Cassandra. first break. Bakbakan, offensive rebound at Kenny, kalagkat sa ilalim! Elvin sa kailan! Offensive foul! Uli-uli yung nagdurot dito ni number 71, Moran. That's first person foul at Chala. Moran, shot up and Simmons, stop and pump. No, good rebound and at Cohen. Pump! Cohen! Let's go, Chala! Masagan, kick out pass sa Ron. May bola tayo dyan, may bola. Dito ng Team Arriba. Ito si Masagan. Tripping the ball. Pompanga. Short. Mapang-aba. J. Carlo. Pompanga. Wala na naman. Rebound at Nicole. Pass to Benji. Wala na. Wala na naman. Looking for receiver. 18 on a shot that bounce to Eugene. No. Rebound at J. Carlo. Pass to Ernesto. Pasangan ng Discovery kontra kay Kyle. 80 seconds on the shot clock. Going to the screen. 600 people. Number 71. Tumama sa kamay. Pasangan. First control pass. The 7-6. 1 point. Awakina ng yellow shirt. Ali. Rebound. Swing to Chong. Wahan. Swing down. Andy. One. Big pass under. Mr. Ernesto Pasangan, basket, Pasangan, Fred Show, basket, Pasangan, and pass the ballings, Derek, 14 seconds to shoot, quick crossover, stop and ball, Grabe, take over na dito si Mr. Ernesto. 81 score. 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Andy now. Kontalino kay Tion Pison. Andy, kagamit ng P. Switch pass. The Eugene Reagan. Dolan. Rebounded now. Pass here. Here on the Urso Rizal. Turn off this situation. I want to win. Tignan natin yung pangalawa dito ni Gio. Wala. The one possession only. 81, Ganji. Stop all play. No, rebound and foul. Nakita ng Pasangan sa Pasangan. Dalawa ang naiwan. Para din sa ECP. Lapid na in and out, 3-point shot. No, rebound at Pulungbulu. Pass to Ernesto. At naman ang naiwan para dito sa ECP. Come on down. Rebound and foul. Nakita na.
Sino?
Basket.
Sorry.
Daniel, pass it on. Swing. Filipino na siya natin using three. Ayun, mag-prepare sa amin ang wala. Grabe yung violation. 31 seconds standing. Flipping the ball. Stop on the number. Now, rebound the on. Pass to go. Lucky come. Speed is swing. Black Esco. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Asada. 10 seconds. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Andy. And now, Bob stopping out Candy. No! 21 seconds. Kakarin na! Fifteen on the shot clock. Andre masuk Tommy. Swing to Angie. Alright, there you go. There's a whistle. Okay, may whistle na tayo dyan, ha? First shot basket. Let's see the 7th breakdown. Substitution. Lagi ganun, nabitawan ng bola. Eto global. Pasok to dito. Ang Gio pretty good signs. The block is here. Ang buhay pa dito ang isipin naman. Time out muna. Requested by Arriba Santonio. First